Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see about a very powerful yet a very simple concept that are ASCII characters in Appian. We will see that how ASCII characters can enhance the applications, the formatting of the data and improve the user experience as well. So first of all, let's understand what are those ASCII characters. So ASCII characters are character encoding standards. So every letter, whatever you write, A, B, C, D, I, either it is or some special character, they have been assigned a particular number there so that the system can understand that as well. So this is a list of the ASCII codes what are all available here. So in this list you will see that the list has like a decimal value, octadecimal, hexadecimal, binary, and the description is also written there. So these are the ASCII character and the table of the description that has been written there. So if you will scroll down, you will see that every character that you write with the help of keyboard or anything, so that has been assigned a particular ASCII codes there. For example, even ABCD has been assigned a code. So A to Z, everything from a small letter A to capital letter A, everything has been assigned an ASCII code there. And see, A has been assigned 65 there. So if you want to write capital A, you can directly use 65 as well. Or some system can understand binary, then you can use that as well. So let's see that how it works in Appian. So in order to work with ASCII character code, you cannot directly come in. So here in Appian, I am using a rich text display field to show these characters. So if I write 65, directly it will take here 65 only. But I want like instead of 65, it should show its character. So in order to work with ASCII code in Appian, you have to use one function, that is char function is available there. So this function is going to help you to write that. So in the char function, if I write char of 65, see, it will show A here. After that, char of 66 is there. So if I write here char of 66, then it will show here B. So that's how the ASCII characters work here. But we don't have to learn so many ASCII characters. Around 128 are available there, from 0 to 127, and some extended codes are also available there. So we will only see like what are some of the most common ASCII codes which in Appian you can use it on a daily basis, that particular part. So the most common codes I have taken out a list. For example, if you want to write a new line, so you have to use here char 10 or char 13 can be also used to give a new line there. So let's see that how they can be used as well. So in order to use that, let's take an example. Hello world I have written. Let's say that hello world. After hello world, I want to enter a new line there. So what I will use here? I will use here. So after that, I will use here a concat function here. So in order to concat all of them together, and in the concat, I will use here char 10. A new line will get inserted here. And if I write here John, so if you see here, John will come in the next line here. If I want to give one more interspace, I can use char 13 as well. Both of them works kind of the similar way only. Char 10 and char 13. So we can see the description as well. Line feed is there, char 10, and char 13 is carriage written. Now after that, the next important point here is char 32. So let's say you have written hello world here, and after that I want to write some other data as well. So I can use here char 30 to give a space there, and you can write any numbers as well that you can. So let's try to format this hello world here. So I will use here hi, and then I will use here comma, and then I will use here good morning. So something like this one, and I want that no, John should not be here. After that I will give a space and I will write John here. So you can see here John is there with a single space there. So that's how you can use a single space. Char 9 is used for tab space. So let's say that I wanted a tab space there. So see how many characters it will go away. So directly like one tab space has been given. So if I have to use the tab space without using char, and so many spaces we have to type it manually there. So all that extra effort has been saved with the help of this char 9 only. Now next important thing is like double quotation mark. Now this is really a bit difficult to write double quotes into Appian. So if you want to write, let's say like John should be in double quotes, how you will write it? If you want to give a double quote, let's say like I will go with a very simple and usual flow, John. But it will not able to read that data at all. But I want that user want that certain data should be in double quotes. So in order to use the double quotes, what you have to do here is you have to give here char 34. So it will start the double quotes, and then see John starting double quotes has been entered here, and after that as well you have to use a ending quotes as well 34. So how simply we have achieved it, and the formatting of data has become much more better with the help of these ASCII characters there. Similarly, we can take a single quote as well. So instead of cat 39, we can give a single quote, and the data will be formatted with single quote now. So like this one, when formatting, when we are working with strings and all, we can use this. And the list is very vast. You can use a lot of things with the help of this ASCII character code. You can print some symbols here, exclamation mark, you if you want it there, comma, anything you want it there. For example, exclamation mark is cat 33. So after hi, I want that exclamation mark should be present there. Cat 33, that's it. And let me just give double quotes here, and see hi, and then you can see here this one has been used there. After that I want a comma. So for comma as well, one character was there, cat 34. So after comma as well, cat 44 is there for the comma part as well. It will add a comma and I guess a bit of space as well. For this one cat 44 we have to write it. So let's write here cat 44 for the comma part here. So you can see here hi, and then there is a bit of comma has also been come up here. So see, comma and all we can take care, but when it is about single quote, double quote, it is a bit issue. When you want to write into the new line, then also these ASCII character code are very helpful. When you want to use a tab space, then these are very helpful, and you will be able to format the data. And these are not only used to format this. So when you are working with HTML template, then also this ASCII characters code will be very helpful in formatting the data there as well. So you should know some of the basic ASCII characters code, and at any given point of time you want to use some extra ASCII character code there, you can just go to this ASCII character link and just see all the ASCII character which are present there. So I hope this was helpful to you. That was all for now. Thank you.